In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Call Now button to Facebook business page. By the end, your page visitors will be able to tap a single button to call your business directly. Make sure you're logged into Facebook on desktop and that you have admin or editor access to the page you want to update. First, head to your Facebook business page. If you manage multiple pages, double check you're actually on the correct one and that you're viewing as the page, not your personal profile. This ensures all page-specific options appear. Next, look just below your cover area for the three dots icon. Click those three dots to open the Page Options menu. From this menu, choose Action Button. Depending on your Facebook layout, this might appear as Add Action Button or Edit Action Button, but you're looking for the option that controls the main button on your page. In the button settings panel that opens, click Change Button. This lets you replace your current option, like Send Message or Learn More, with one that triggers a phone call. From the list of button types, select Call Now. This is the feature that lets people instantly dial your business from the page. It's great for service providers, local shops, or anyone who books by phone. After choosing Call Now, click Next to move to the phone number setup. Here, use the country code drop-down to select your country. Picking the correct code is important because it ensures your number can be dialed properly from mobile devices and within Facebook's interface. Now, click into the number field and type your business phone number. Enter it carefully and use a line that's staffed during your normal hours so callers get through. If you use a call routing or tracking number, that's fine. Just make sure it can accept voice calls reliably. Check the formatting preview if Facebook shows one, and avoid extra characters that might prevent dialing. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your page will update right away, and the Call Now button will appear prominently under your cover or page name, depending on your layout. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page to load the latest changes. If the option didn't appear earlier, it can be due to page category, region, or an older interface. Switching to the latest pages experience usually reveals it. That's it. You've added a Call Now button to your Facebook business page, making it faster for customers to reach you and easier for you to capture leads while their interest is high.